Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Developer by Passion. So today we will be looking at a beautiful platform that's called Queen. So as the name, the platform is really great to show and to showcase your profile by solving GitHub issues and sharing it in a verifiable form. So we all must have been using, as a developer we all love using GitHub, right? But let's see what problem is there on GitHub and how we are going to solve it today. So now I'm in my Google Chrome. So now let's get to my GitHub profile. So this is my GitHub profile. I've got an avatar and it looks nice. So we can see that this README is the popular README that is shown on the GitHub profile. But what does it mainly contain? So it mainly contains your contributions listed, but that is not a very good parameter to judge someone. So for example, if you want teammates for an hackathon, then what do you ask for them? How do you know whether they will be your good teammates, will be able to work with you parallelly? Because uh, at hackathons and projects building time, you need teammates that are capable enough to get along with the project. So, but the only thing that comes there is this GitHub profile. And in a very general sense, also, we all want to build our GitHub profile because as a developer, GitHub profile is the best thing uh, that we love building. So, seeing my GitHub profile gives many informations like which organizations have contributed to, how many contribution I have contributed, and which month I have contributed mainly, and most such things. I'm getting an error here, which is a start error, not to mind it. Uh, they are going. They have a part error, which is like permission error, but the official people are solving it. So sometimes you may also get this. But so the coming to the very good point is like if you want to showcase your profile, but how do you showcase your profile? So you add widgets here, like these are called widgets where you show your total contributions. You can share your Hacktoberfest batches, but say for example I want to share more information about myself, so how do you share it? So here comes the solution to the problem, which is you go to Google, just type queen.sh, and we get to the platform. So, as I told you, at Qin, what you will be able to do is build verifiable experience by solving GitHub issues. Earn reputation when your PRs are merged, showcase your achievements in your GitHub README. So pretty easy. Now let's explore the platform first. So as I click on explore, it will take me to a different page where it will give me different GitHub issues to contribute. So as a new developer, when we come in this GitHub field, we see there are many repos. Although GitHub has provided this column where you can find new issues. These are my assigned issues and everything, mentioned issues and everything. But as a new developer, when you go to explore and you want to explore which GitHub issues you want to contribute, then many people are stuck at this point because they're not able to find good issues to contribute in which they are fluent in languages with. So here comes Queen to work. So it asks you for your languages, whatever languages you want to search for, you can search here. Like I have chosen these languages, but you can search for, like, if you know JavaScript, for example, you can click on JavaScript, and here this upper column is for adding languages, but the downward column is for topics. Now the difference between languages and topics is that languages are very specific, like JavaScript, Python, C++, C, but topics are like frameworks. They could be frameworks, and different other types like containers. Then we have here Express. Express is a Node.js framework for use for backend. So I've currently selected, but if, for example, if I want to contribute only to the React area, so I click on React, I click on JavaScript, I click on update. So what will happen is it will show me the GitHub issues where these things are used and where I can contribute as a good first issue. So this repo has 155 good first issues, and this is none other than Material UI. So if you have used JavaScript framework, then Material UI is a very popular front end framework which is used for designing the front end and stuff. So it has 155 good first issues. So good first issues are those issues which are good for a beginner to contribute in. So you can just click here and then you go out here and there are issues listed. Also, if you want to see how popular the repo was, so there are stars listed out here. Like this pink one gives you the weekly stars that have been given to the repo. So if you don't know what our stars are, so go to any repo. For example, let me go to this Material UI repo. So if you go to Material UI repo, this one. So on the repo itself, you will see it has 84.1 thousand stars, which is a big deal because the repos tell you how popular that project has been for other people. So and now this pink one shows weekly stars given, and this blue one shows the total stars that it has reached. So you can see that it shows the correct number. It was 81 we saw in our official 84.1, and it is also 84.1k stars. So then you can see that how many branches, commits, releases, forks, open issues are there in that particular repo. And then if you want to see, for example, I came to this issue and I found it pretty easy to solve and comfortable to solve with. So I can click on solve and it will take me to the main repo. So it takes me directly to that issue. No middleman, no bridging. So it takes me to the direct issue number 35915. And I could so this is assigned to Siri, but okay. So it was assigned just 7 hours ago. Okay. So, but it was opened 11 hours ago. So if you can go out to these issues and you can click on you can leave your comment that I want to solve this issue. If it has not been assigned to anyone, you can just go ahead and take that issue. And most of the issues that are listed here, then they are most probably not assigned to someone. Okay. So so this was one main feature of this platform where you can explore the repos or the issues, get first issues to contribute to, and you can start your open source journey very pretty easily by solving this good first issues, then moving to some medium level issues, then some hard level issues, and in this way you become a better programmer. So now let me show you other tools of this platform. So as I told you at the starting of the video, that this platform can be used to build your GitHub README. So let's see how we can build a GitHub README. Okay, so if I go to my stats, so if I go to my stats, first of all, you will have to create your profile. Okay, so this platform gives you a very beautiful profile to make. So this is your avatar icon. This could be your profile icon, anything. This is my wallet connected. So it is also Web3 kind of thing. So yeah, you can add your whatever title you want to give. You can add your LinkedIn here. LinkedIn, I will show you how to edit it. Basically, you go to edit profile and you add whatever links you want, and they will be shown on your profile. Also, all your profile would be like queen.sh/profile/ your username. So yeah, here you can give all your LinkedIn or Twitter, whatever you want to, and they will be shown on your profile. It's loading. Okay, so now, for example, now you can see how beautiful my profile is looking. If I give this link to someone, he will come to this profile and he will see, wow. So languages, here I can add languages. I have not added, but here you can also add topics. Like if you want to add languages, you can add languages like JavaScript. Okay, so you can add languages from here and things like that. And in the portfolio section comes the best thing. So in the portfolio section, you can add new items here. You can add your repo items, whatever repo whatever GitHub repos you feel like you have contributed to, or you are the owner of those repos, and they have like solved a real world problem, and they can be very fruitful for someone, and you want to showcase those repos, you can put them in the portfolio section. For example, I have like kept 3 of my repos here, one of which is Solana bot. So it was related to Solana. Uh, you can also add by going here, add new item like GitHub repos. So here you can give your links to the GitHub repos, and it will automatically fetch and add it. So this was about it. Now then, there are like pull requests. So not only your repos, on the traditional GitHub platform, you can only add your showcase your repos. Like in the README, if I show you, yeah. So this is my GitHub README. So you can see that there are some pinned repos, but whatever pins I can, first of all, like I can only pin this uh, limitation that you can only pen 6 repos. So I've pinned like 6 repos here, but it unlikely on Queen platform you can like not only showcase your repos but also your pull request. So you can like click on GitHub pull request, and you can like add any of your pull request to the portfolio section. So like for example, I have like contributed to this machine. I could just add it. It is merged. It shows merged. Then you can also leave out like comments. So related to mesh. Okay. So mesh is a CNCF project. So I had contributed. So I would add my pull request out there. So now my portfolio contains 5 items. One of which is a PR. So also, this was about GitHub repos, GitHub pull request, Stack Exchange question answer, Stack Overflow. You can add it here. Also, you cannot add anyone's repo and pull request. You can only add yours, which are authored by you. Okay. So you see this best thing? Like it also shows the pull request was reviewed by whom and who merged it, if it was merged or not. So you can also so this is very popular get NFT item. So what is a Git NFT item? Let me just show you what is a Git NFT item. This is pretty special. So um, in in Web3 world, you mint NFTs. So you don't get NFTs. You have when you get NFTs, when you own it, you have to mint it. Okay. So how here you don't have to mint NFTs, but instead you can mint your commits. So it is asking me the commit link. Where will you get this commit link? Let me show you. For example, let me take you to my any of my repos. Okay. So let's say this one repo. Okay. So this is a project repo where so you can like click here, and you will get this URL, which is your commit hash. You can just copy it. You can come here. Uh, it asks you for commit link. Just put in that commit link, and then it will give you a pro tip. Ignore it. So now you can do what else? You can mint this commit. So just click on mint commit. So it will start minting. You can also write your story about this. Like I created my Pokemon fitness app. Okay. You can give dark theme also. It's pretty nice actually. So like you can mint commit. So it will ask you to connect to wallet. I've already connected to my wallet, so it's directly taking me to mint. So I've selected account 3. Now the best thing out here is like take a look at this. If I show you, yeah. So if I show you, I have 0 matrix now. It's on my connected to my Polygon network, and I have 0 matrix. That means I have no balance, but still I'm able to mint. This platform is powered by 1inch, I guess. I have seen it. So you can still mint if you have 0 balance. That's the beauty of the platform. It does not take any gas fees from you for minting your commits. So once it gets minted, you can add it to your portfolio section. So let's see how it looks when it gets minted. So basically, it will give you a Polygon transaction. This was my earlier Git NFT. Uh, so this is coming. I guess it will come. So they give you a Polygon transaction which shows that your NFT, which is in the form of ERC-721, gets minted, and you can like here it is like transaction action was mint of this Git NFT to this address. The value is 0 matrix, so you don't have given any value. So okay, so this okay, so yeah, so congratulations. Following is the transaction status on Polygon here, and your NFT on OpenSea here. So your NFT is even deployed on the OpenSea. So that's pretty interesting. Okay, so this shows one file changes plus 31 minus 0. So that was the file changes that have been in that specific commit. You can also check on Polygon scan, and it will show you the scan of it. Okay. Um, So you can also tweet about it. I've recently tweeted about it. So if you're not following on me, please, you can follow me. I post daily updates. So this was my recent tweet about this. Like here you can mint your Git commits. So yeah, you can also tweet about it if you found it pretty interesting. Yes, it is. So then you can come to here and you can like add it to your git nft section. This is it. So I will click on it. I will click on add git nft. So now my portfolio should contain 6 items. See, this was it, right? Create a readme nft. So this is it. Pretty interesting. Okay, so yeah, this is my avatar. uh, Here you can add more details about you yourself and about your activity. So this is a pretty good platform where you so yeah, here you can like looking for part-time job or anything. Like here I have added my LinkedIn, mails, anything that you want you can add here. Linked accounts, you can link your different accounts to this website. And like dev.to also, like you can link metamask for like minting purposes. Languages and tools you can add. So in and all, this is a pretty very interesting website. You should definitely check it out. If you are till now, you must have found this video pretty interesting. Please like, share, and subscribe, and share it to anyone who might be uh, unaware of this beautiful site, and who would be starting in the open source space and would need help with the issues. So, but still, the last special thing that still remains in this video is yet to come. So my friend, you have got to add your widgets. So you can just generate by going into my stats, and it will generate stats for you for your profile based upon the account which you have authorized. Like I had authorized my GitHub account, so it has like given me this widget. How do I add it? So I can like select if I want to add extra data or not. So it gives me a code, full code on how to add this widget. I just have to copy it. It says snippet copied. I will just go to my README, just edit it, and then so at the end, let me just add it to the end. So I just added it. So let me just go to the preview how it looks. So oh, awesome! It looks pretty awesome. You have done nothing. You have just authenticated your account, and it just has added this beautiful widget. So it gives like a beautiful look to your README and to the other person who is trying to judge you based on your readme, judge your skills based upon your readme. So it says like 24 stars, 68 repos contributed, 121 PRs created. Okay, so yeah, so you can also generate widgets for GitHub languages, even for your Web3 links, if any of it, and you can just copy it and you can just add it to your GitHub READMEs. So with that, we come to end of the video. Hope you all have enjoyed this video very much. Uh, let's see, get to the end. Thank you very much for watching it. Please like, share, and subscribe.